Yo, we back with another video. Today we have a sneaker cleanup, and it's on the Jordan 1 fibers. The Jordan 1 carbon fibers to be exact. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I'm gonna say these shoes are so fire. Like, I've never seen a Jordan 1 with the carbon on it, and it's like real carbon. On this cleaning, there's not much I have to do. It's a quick cleaning so I can get them posted and so y'all can buy some shoes from me. On most Jordan 1s, just use any solution of your choice. If it's a leather, just not suede. You gotta be careful with suede. Alright, so I'm gonna get finished cleaning this shoe and I will be back with y'all in a minute. Then next comes the drying. There's really nothing special you have to do on these. Just dry them all. I'm just making sure I get a thorough dry because as soon as I get it done, I'm going outside and taking pictures. Went off camera just to make sure, you know how it be. And that will do it for the Jordan 1 quick cleaning.